Repair cafes are coming to Alston Moor. They've been identified in the community plan as something that people would really like to have on Alston Moor. We ran a pilot repair cafe during the Green Print Festival last year and it proved really popular. But what we need is some help from volunteer experts in the community. These are people who've got skills to share. So maybe you're an electrician, a mechanic, a bookbinder, somebody who repairs IT, computers, have skills to offer repairing gardening equipment, or maybe you're a seamstress or have craft skills. We're looking for people like you to come to the repair cafes. It's going to be a great social event, tea, coffee, cake, getting people from the community together, and let's see if we can make Alston Moor a long-term sustainable repair cafe venue. The other great thing that we can offer is training to 2 volunteers in PAT testing. So if you've got any interest in gaining a new skill, getting a qualification, PAT testing could be the way to go. We pay for the training, for the travel to the venue, for the whole shebang through the Repair Cafe Fund. Commitment would be ideally to come to the repair cafes, which we're hoping to hold 4 over the course of a year, so until May 19 on Alston Moor. The repair cafe runs from about 10 till 1. Get in touch with me, ro@cafs.org.uk, or you can call CAFS and message us on the Green Print Facebook page.